In this lecture, I'm going to talk about the hardware that you'll need in order to successfully complete this course and to be able to follow along with the various experiments. So let's have a look. The hardware that you need for this course comes as a kit from Seed Studio. The name of this kit is Grove Starter Kit for Arduino. There's a few other starter kits. For example, there's one for the Raspberry Pi, but be careful when you make your order to get the one for the Arduino. Now let's have a look at what's inside this kit. You get a number of very useful common components. All of those components are mounted on a Grove compatible breakout. So we've got the base shield, which is something that I'm going to talk about in more detail later, but it's a shield that you can attach on any compatible Arduino Uno in particular, or on the Arduino as well. And the base shield contains Grove connectors onto which we can plug the rest of those breakouts via compatible cables. So apart from the shield, this kit contains a smart relay, a sound sensor, a rotary angle sensor. There are also 3 LEDs, a red, green, and blue, that fit nicely in the LED breakout kit that is also supplied. There is a momentary button, a mini servo motor, a LCD with RGB backlight, a buzzer, a touch sensor, a temperature sensor, a light sensor, a bunch of Grove compatible cables, plus a 9-volt battle jack adapter. So you can use a battery to power your projects. When you remove the top layer of the contents of the box, you'll see a second layer where all the various cables are, the 9-volt battle jack adapter, and the mini servo motor. In this photo, you can see the base shield on the right side of the photo. It's the main component of the kit that allows you to connect the rest of the Grove components. Also, of course, you are going to need an Arduino Uno or Arduino Uno compatible board. In this course, I'll be using the Arduino, which is the red board in this photograph. It's a 100% compatible Arduino board, but the nice thing about the Arduino is that it contains the 3 Grove connectors. It's got 2 I2C connectors and 1 UART connector that you can see at the top part of the red board. But everything that I'm going to show you works perfectly well with the regular Arduino Uno. Just plug the Grove base shield on the Arduino Uno and you're good to go. The base shield pictured here fits perfectly on either the Arduino or the Arduino Uno, and this is the most important component that comes with the Grove starter kit for the Arduino. A couple of optional pieces of hardware that I'm also going to be showing in this course are this red quad alphanumeric display. This does not come with the kit, so you'll have to purchase it separately. I'm also showing how to use the Grove mini breadboard. I find that this Grove mini breadboard is a very convenient way to mix Grove components with non-Grove components in the same project, like I'm doing here. I'm using this Grove mini breadboard. I've attached a regular LED with its current limiting resistor to the Grove base shield. So that's it. These are the components that you'll need. I'm going to show you how to use exactly these components individually and then put them together to create interesting projects.